Hi everyone, this is Prachi here. I'm CEO founder Skylark Automation, Skylark Group, and I'm also KNX certified system professional, automation professional, lighting designer. I'm presenting my company Skylark Group from last 10 to 12 years. So in this industry, I have already studied regarding technology. What is automation? We are certified KNX system integrator. Apart from that, we have also executed n number of projects across India. So basic automation funda or automation thing is that automation is nothing, but it's kind of integration. And integration about devices, about your system, about your protocol, about your networking. It is nothing but your technology. So now everybody is thinking, what is automation? Somebody thinks like automation is like trending industry. Automation is like luxury. It is only for comfort, but it is not like that. Automation is about your energy efficiency. That is a basic clear understanding of automation. Now we'll give you idea about what kind of automation we can do in day-to-day life, how we can save our energy, how we can save our cost, how we can use this technology. With the help of technology, how we can integrate n number of devices in a single app. We are talking about building automation, we are talking about industrial automation, we have n number of things, lighting devices. How we can integrate, we can see that. So in building automation, what happens? There are some devices. Let's say about your CCTV system, security system. If you want to secure your entire 3-tier security system, we can do that also. With the help of 3-tier system, you can get access about your entire building security solutions. So we have executed a number of projects in Pune, Mumbai, across globe. So what is home automation and security? What is the need of the hour? Security is nothing but protection. But how I can protect my device, or how I can protect my particular area, my premise? So for that, we need to understand clear understanding of automation. So it is basically, it can be work under different protocol. KNX protocol, it's an open protocol. There are Zigbee protocol, Z-Wave protocol. There are various wired as well as wireless protocols. So I'll explain you one by one. So today's agenda is that history of home automation. What is the revolution of automation? Home automation protocols, home automation base, how it can be based on IoT, Internet of Things. It's a trending industry, booming industry nowadays. And it's a vast industry for youngsters. See, if you have some power, if you have some technology things, you can definitely go for automation. It's very different. History of home automation. See, in 1975, the first purpose of home automation was completely about network technology. And Extend was developed by some scientists for some professional. So it is a communication protocol for electronic devices, communication of devices. Let's say if you want to integrate your entire system, you need to have some bridge, some gateway. With the help of gateway, you can integrate n number of devices with a single app. So it's signaling and controlling where the signals involved in brief with a radio frequency burst on different data. It remains widely available. And after some years, people took automation very seriously. And nowadays, automation journey is that in 1998, smart homes are a trending industry. What is smart home? Smart home is what? Your intelligent home. Let's say I'm talking with someone, some of my friends. But if I want to talk to my house, I want to talk to my home, how I can do that? I can do that, but with the help of automation, with the help of this technology. So home automation began to increase in popularity in the emerge, and these smart homes can suddenly become a more affordable option. People are thinking, I want to automate my house, I want to automate my premise, but I have to spend lots of money. No, don't spend your money. Within, like if you want to automate your entire house, your premises, your commercial building, your entire area, you can do. But after that, you need to research which technology is best for me. So therefore, a viable technology for this consumer, we have adapted different technologies. We can automate your premise or your entire house with the help of minimum budget also. Today's smart home, what is smart home? Smart homes are more about security and living greener. See, if you want to do some environmental project, green energy, you will definitely support for automation. So our smart homes are sustainable and they help to ensure that our homes aren't expanding unnecessary energy. So they help for these things. What is the automation concept? Basically, safe scenario, comfort, and save energy. These are the one app kind of protocol. With the help of this energy saving efficiency solutions, you can automate your entire area. So what are the different protocols of automation? See, everything has two sides, head and tail. So every technology also has two sides. But with the help of this protocol, you can get exact idea how we can integrate your entire area. So KNX, CBus, System, Zigbee, Z-Wave, other protocols. So KNX is an open protocol where you can integrate 400 plus manufacturers under one roof. So it's a basically wired protocol. And for talking about wireless protocol, we have Z-Wave, we have Zigbee, we have X and N number of protocols. But in KNX protocol, what kind of durability you have? You have wired solution. If you want long life solution, long lasting solution, definitely go for wired protocol. Yeah, of course, it's a costly. But again, if you want to do this automation for long period, you can go like with KNX only. So we are KNX manufacturer, we are KNX certified system integrator. So definitely you can get n number of things with the help of this protocol. So what is Z-Wave? So Z-Wave works under Z alliances and Zigbee also Zigbee alliances. So these are the wireless protocol where you can get minimum budgetary option. See, in India, what happens? People are not ready to spend n number of things or n number of options. But for that, Zigbee and Z-Wave are the best protocol. Excuse me. So what is KNX? KNX is related to CONEX and it is working under 37 countries and KNX designed to be independent of any particular hardware protocol. Networks can be controlled by anything from 8-bit microcontroller. And with the help of KNX, you can integrate n number of buildings in a single app. So CBus. So the CBus systems can be used to control your entire lighting, your fan system, your electrical system, your BMS system. With the help of this system, your work, like your mobile acts as a remote. This is a basic concept of automation. Like let's say from your entire devices, your video door phone, your security system, your AV system, your entire your home appliances, you can integrate with the help of this system. Even if you want to, entirely you want to secure your building protocol system. Zigbee. So Zigbee is again, it's a wireless protocol, works under mesh network 802.1.5 base specifications, and it's a high level communication protocol where you can use this protocol. With the help of this protocol, home automation, medical devices, data collections, your low power, low bandwidth needs designed for the simple kind of projects you can do with the help of this system. Z-Wave. So there are some systems like Fibaro. Fibaro again is a Polish system. It works under 865.2 kind of protocol. This is the frequency for this particular protocol. And with Z-Wave, you can communicate with a single app. And it works under mesh network. And in mesh network, what happens? Every device acts as a repeater. So what is the use of mesh network? So no need to integrate n number of things middle of these devices. Your mobile acts as a remote and your device acts as a repeater. So this is the basic fund of automation. Even you can integrate your residential appliances, your devices, your lighting control, security system, thermostats, your LED lightings, your windows, locks, swimming pools, garage doors. Then you can resource your other things also. This protocol is best for minimum budgetary solutions. Now, home automation on base of IoT. See, with the help of IoT, suppose you are a youngster and you don't have any n number of options, you can definitely go for IoT. You can integrate, you can innovate your own things also. Now, home automation on base of IoT. What is IoT? Internet of Things. So it is conceptualization that like your idea of remotely connecting n number of devices. You can monitor your entire system with the help of your single app. Suppose if you want to control, you are not in India, but if you want to monitor your house, you can monitor with CCTV. But what about your lighting system? You forget to, switch off your light. You can open your mobile acts as a remote. You play with your devices, you play with your lighting system, you can create energy efficiency, you can create your mood lightings, your n number of things, party mode, like relax mode, work mode, and number of options you have. So this IoT project focuses on building a smart wireless home security system. And with the help of this system, you can get single alerts on your mobile. So homeowner can be reliable on this system easily. Now, Echo and Alexa. See, nowadays Google or other companies are already trying to innovate different things. So now Alexa, with the help of Alexa, you can get voice command access. This is the best solution. And apart from that, you can also get some relaxation. Like you can be relaxed. No need to type any number of things. You can just give voice command. You can get whatever you want. So home automation is this is the basic concept of automation, like IoT based things. It is not only Internet of Things, it's Internet of everything. You can do anything with the help of automation. So future of automation. So like nowadays, artificial intelligence, VR, they are just playing vital role in this booming industry. Now automation is again a best industry for, newcomers, whatever you want to do with the help of this thing from your mobile app. And the scenario is changing rapidly because regular automation combines with smart wireless devices. But with the help of sensors like motion sensor, your glass sensor, your detectors, your temperature sensor, your burglar alarm system, your smoke detector, your light intensity sensor, then humidity sensor, this plays vital role and are being accommodated with the home automation, and this data can integrate with your mobile also. So you can get relaxation with the help of this system. You can get more comfortable. And apart from that, see the basic fund of automation, energy efficiency. Now, future of automation, there is a, you can say, global market. We have already studied about this industry of global market, expected to witness an outstanding 26.3% CAGR. This is our research. So you can get expansion also. The global market for this automation has been segmented on various levels. Like for example, if you want to automate your video audio system, HVAC, again it's a heating ventilation system. Then heating system, also air conditioning, also security, you can integrate safety systems, your lighting, your robotics, then healthcare system. See, now pandemic has already taught us a lot, because in what happens now, you are working under some protocol, you are working with some technology, but if you are sitting at home, then also you can entirely monitor your house, your office. Nowadays people are working from home, so this is the need of the hour. Suppose you are working from home and you don't have an access regarding your house or office, you can entirely monitor with the help of this system, lighting system, robotic system. You can get a number of things. Now BAS introduction. What is BAS? So best protocol or best system building automation describes the advanced system functionality, and this provides by control system of your building. Your entire building you can monitor, you can integrate with the help of automation, building automation. And this we have already installed in Punawale area, with n number of builders we have done these projects. Then Ravet also projects we have done. See, people are happy because they are getting everything on their mobile. Apart from that, they are getting some security. And building automation system is a concept. Basically, it is an example of a distributed control system. So with the help of your distribution board, you can do n number of things, your back-end devices, your front-end devices. The control system is a computerized intelligent networks, and it's a play or game of electronic devices. That's it. Now, what is topology? See, there are different topology. In networking, we have already got some information regarding star topology, mesh topology. See, mesh topology is the best for automation, for wireless technology, because your device acts as a repeater. So with the help of this technology, you can get input, output, analog digital devices, primarily secondary bus devices, and input, output, human interface devices, your mobile acts as a remote. That is the main comfort for you as a customer. So this is a basic structure of home automation or automation. Like let's say from your entire house, you can do everything with a single app. This is a basic concept of automation. So what are the controllers? Programmable logical devices, system network controllers. There are terminal unit controls, occupancy sensors. See, there are different sensors like burglar alarm system. If you are working with some jewelry designer or jewelry thing, you can go for this sensors part, burglar system. This will be helpful for jewelry makers. Then temperature sensor for healthcare system, we can do n number of sensor things. Lighting control for your healthcare system, also for your entire interior things also. architecture also, then institutions, corporates, you can do mood lighting. Employee can make themselves happy. See, if you are sitting in office and if you are feeling tired, and if you want to do any conference call or conference thing, you can go for automation. Like you can get some reminders, you can set your conference like that. You can automate your entire conference area. Air handlers, we have central plants, we have alarm systems. See, now we need to focus on agriculture automation also. So talking about agriculture land, agriculture automation, we have n number of things. So with the help of automation, we can try to expand our productivity also. So this is the best technology or best solution for coming days. And see, India is a agriculture based country. So if we definitely focus on automation, definitely we can get more productivity. We can generate more employment for our Indian people. We can export things also. This is a component of BAS. BAS. This is a structure. This is a live preview of BAS. Now, why BAS system? So it keeps the building climate within a specified range. Apart from that, you can provide lighting based on occupancy schedule. You can scheduling like n number of things, like let's say from morning to evening, you can schedule your calls and all. Monitor system performance. You can monitor everything with the help of mobile. You can get information. You can reduce building energy efficiency or energy system maintenance. You can reduce your maintenance costs also. So that will be more helpful to builders and homeowners. A building controlled by a BAS is often referred to as an intelligent building solution. So if you want to be intelligent, go for automation. So this is the best trending industry, and future of automation is like this. Suppose, let's say if you have something, if you want to reduce your cost, if you want to go for luxury life, if you want to go for different life, you go for automation. So near future, smart home can be a trending industry. It will become a same day like a mobile phone. Nowadays, we can't go without mobile. Same like that. After some time that happen, like we need to go with the help of automation only. You are sitting in home, and you are sitting somewhere at home, you can definitely go for automation only. So trust our expertise. At Skylark, what we are doing, we are already more than 12 years plus experience company in automation, and with a proven track record of creating original business contents. And see, of course, we are automation professional. We have done n number of things. Now our website receives 1.5 million monthly visitors across the globe, because we are tied up with different countries across the globe related to technology, related to automation, related to the new trending industry. So we would like to say thank you so much for this opportunity, and this is the best thing where we need to go for automation. Thank you so much.